fan of Chronicles of Narnia or you've never heard of it, you definitely want to check this version out. This is the collection. It's really big. It's by, of course, the wonderful C.S. Lewis, and he wrote the whole Narnia series. Beautiful, beautiful fantasy series. If you've never heard of it, it's just amazing. It's several stories long, and it's all a fantasy story. If you're fans of Lord of the Rings or anything like that, like this is like the more watered down version of like a Lord of the Rings, but it's very different. Just a different story, more about has like a more redemptive story arc to it, and there's a lot of great characters, and it's very memorable, and it's just written so well. So anyway, it's a really big book. It has all the books from this Chronicles of Narnia series. This is the back, and then you can see the table of contents. So wait, The Magician's Nephew is the first book. So let me show you. So these are the contents. So you'll see has all the book titles there, and then you can go through it. So of course you would want to go one book at a time. So you would start with Magician's Nephew. The most popular one is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, which was a movie, and that's what kind of like really exploded the popularity. Even before, after the book was already popular, it just made it more popular. You have The Horse and His Boy, Prince Caspian, Voyage of the Dawn Treader, Silver Chair, and then The Last Battle. So it is 7 books, and again, has really nice artwork inside. And then I'll flip to the book, you can see. So yeah, so as you can see there, it is like kind of a smaller print, but of course, it's not that small. It's pretty like a decent, I'd say like a decent size print. So very, very nice. I mean, just flip through it so you can see. Has artwork throughout the pages, here and there, not too much, like start of the book and some important parts. So I haven't read the whole thing myself, but I am a fan. I have read a couple of the books, and it's wonderful. So it's just going to take me quite a while to read all of that. So yeah, so hope you check it out and enjoy.